Peptidization is not coagulation process because you are converting a precipitate into a colloidal solution. Alkaline medium, pH is high, so it should be in the form of anion. Welcome back to part 3 of Karnataka CET 2011 chemistry question paper. We shall start with 41st question. The standard EMF of galvanic cell involving 2 moles of electron in its redox reaction is 0.59 volt. The equilibrium constant for the redox reaction of the cell is dash. So option A is 10 to the power 20, option B is 10 to the power 5, option C is 10 and option D is 10 to the power 10. So what exactly is given? They have given standard EMF of the cell in which N value is 2 because it is 2 moles of electron in the redox reaction, and EMF is how much? 0.59 volt they have given. We need to find out the equilibrium constant. How do we do that? We know that delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught of the cell. We also know one more formula, that is delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. Correct? So, both these equations if I equate, then I can get log K because I know E naught of the cell. I also know what is N value. Okay? So, it will be 2.303 RT log K is equal to NF E naught of the cell. F I will move it on the other side. So, I will get it as 2.303 RT by F log K or Kc I can write N E naught of the cell. So, this one its standard condition is 0.059. So, this will be log K is equal to N E naught of the cell by 0.059, which is nothing but N is 2 and 0.59 divided by 0.059. So, the value here will be log K is equal to 20. Now, log when I move it on the other side, it will be anti-log. So, anti-log of 20. It will be anti-log 20. K is equal to, so K is equal to anti-log of 20 is nothing but 10 to the power 20. So, option A is the correct answer. Okay. So, we will move on to the next question. 9.65 coulombs of electric current is passed through fused anhydrous magnesium chloride. Magnesium metal thus obtained is completely converted into Grignard reagent. The number of moles of Grignard reagent obtained is dash. 5 into 10 power minus 4, 1 into 10 power minus 4, 5 into 10 power minus 5 and 1 into 10 power minus 5. So, we need to find out how many moles of Grignard reagent is obtained. What they have given is magnesium chloride anhydrous. When this dissociates, I will get Mg plus 2 and 2Cl minus. So, Mg plus 2 has to accept 2 electrons to form 1 mole of magnesium. So, how much current I should pass? 2 Faraday, isn't it? So, 2F will give 1 mole of magnesium. And read the question, the magnesium metal thus obtained is completely converted into Grignard reagent. So, how much magnesium I will get? So many number of moles of Grignard reagent also we will get. So, we will find out the number of moles of magnesium metal. Okay. So, 2 Faraday if I pass, I will get 1 mole of magnesium. But how much coulombs I am passing? Only 9.65 coulombs. So, how many moles of magnesium I will get? So, the number of moles is equal to 9.65 into 1 divided by 2 into 96,500. So, if I solve this, 1 by 2 is half, that is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 4, that is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 I will get. So the answer is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Correct? Yes? Is it clear? Okay. So we'll go to the next question. The empirical formula of a non-electrolyte is CH2O. A solution containing 3 grams of compound exerts the same osmotic pressure as that of 0.05 molar glucose solution. The molecular formula of the compound is CH2O, C2H4O2, C4H8O8, C3H6O3. So here they have given the empirical formula CH2O. A solution containing 3 grams of some compound, we don't know what is the compound, exerts same osmotic pressure as that of 0.05 molar glucose solution. So C1 is equal to C2, that is their osmotic pressure is equal, so the concentrations are also equal. I have cancelled R and T because it is equal. Okay. Now here I'll just take the number of moles, that is sufficient for me. Mass by molecular mass, I don't know the molecular mass, okay, this I'll take it as mx, and this is for glucose. I have 0.05 molar, but I don't know the mass of glucose. So mass of glucose, molarity into molecular mass. Molarity is 0.05 into molecular mass is 180, that is nothing but 9. So mass is 9 divided by 180. You will get the number of moles. Okay. So molecular mass is equal to 3 into 180 divided by 9. That is nothing but 60. Now I got the molecular mass. I have to find out N. N is equal to molecular mass by empirical formula mass. What is empirical formula? It is CH2O. Carbon 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 16, it is 30. Correct? So this is 60 by 30, that is nothing but 2. Therefore, this into 2 is the molecular formula C2H4O2. So, the molecular formula of the compound is C2H4O2 and that is option B is the right answer. Okay? Artha aita? Okay. We'll go to the next question. Which one of the following is a covalent crystal? Rock salt, ice, quartz, dry ice. Ice, dry ice, rock salt or quartz, which is a covalent crystal. Covalent bond yavudrallide. That is, rock salt has got ionic bond, ice has got hydrogen bond, dry ice is nothing but solidified carbon dioxide, isn't it? So this is a molecular solid. Which is a covalent solid? It should be quartz, which is the covalent solid. So we'll go to the next question. 45. Which one of the following does not involve coagulation? Clotting of blood using ferric chloride is coagulation. Formation of delta region is also coagulation. Treatment of drinking water with potash alum is also coagulation. Then it should be peptization, and of course peptization is not coagulation process because you are converting a precipitate into a colloidal solution, isn't it? So peptization is not a coagulation process. So option D is right. Next question. A solution of two liquids boil at same temperature more than the boiling point of either of them. Okay. Hence, the binary solution show. So, they are forming azeotropic mixture, but it is forming maximum azeotropic mixture. Maximum because the boiling point is more than either of the liquid. Okay. So, it is maximum azeotropic mixture. Which deviation they will show is what they are asking. Negative deviation from Rolle's law, positive deviation from Rolle's law, no deviation from Rolle's law, positive or negative deviation from Rolle's law depending on the composition. Maximum azeotropes form or show negative deviation from Rolle's law. Correct, no? Maximum azeotropes will show negative deviation from Rolle's law. We'll go to the next question. Which one of the nitrogen atom is most nucleophilic. So we have to find out whether the first one is most nucleophilic, second or the third, or the option is all three nitrogen atoms are equally strong nucleophilic center. So which one is most nucleophilic? If I write the structure here, that is NHC double bond O, NH2, and I have NH2. All the nitrogen atoms have the lone pair of electron. Now this can come here and this can go there. So it is involved in conjugation. Okay. Similarly, even this can be forming a double bond and this can go. So two nitrogen atoms are also involved in the conjugation. Correct? So it is only the first nitrogen which is not involved in forming a bond, or it can be donated very easily. That is, it is a very good nucleophile. So option 1, that is option B, the first nitrogen atom is the one which is most nucleophilic. Okay. Next question. The maximum number of possible optical isomer in 1-bromo 2-methyl cyclobutane is. So I have cyclobutane. Okay, 1-bromo, so this has bromine, 2-methyl, okay, this has got CH3 group, rest all is CH2, this is hydrogen and this is hydrogen. Okay, maximum number of possible optical isomer, 4, 2, 8, 16, they are asking. For optical isomer, I need asymmetric carbon atom. So here I have an asymmetric carbon atom, one more asymmetric carbon atom. So 2 asymmetric carbon atoms. So 2 to the power n is the number of optical isomer. 2 to the power 2, that is 4 optical isomers are possible. So option A is the right answer. So we'll go to the next question. Which one of the following is most energetic conformation of cyclohexane? For cyclohexane, which is the most energetic conformation is what they are asking. Whether it is boat form, twisted boat, chair or half chair. It is half chair which is the most energetic. Okay. It is factual question. You need to know the answer. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is an intermediate in the reaction of benzene with CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride? So, which is the intermediate? You have studied the mechanism, isn't it? Cl plus, CH3 plus or CH3 minus, or it is benzene ring with the positive charge. So, which of the following intermediate in CH3Cl presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride? It is CH3 plus. It is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, isn't it? So it is CH3 plus, which is the intermediate here. You have studied the mechanism. You're supposed to know which is the electrophile which is formed. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not true for the hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide with aqueous NaOH? So we are supposed to find out which is not true for tertiary butyl bromide with aqueous NaOH. Tertiary butyl bromide with aqueous NaOH is SN1 mechanism. So for SN1 mechanism, which is wrong is what they are asking. The reaction occurs through SN1 mechanism. It's correct. The intermediate formed is carbocation. That's also right. The rate of the reaction doubles when the concentration of alkali doubles. Okay. This we have to look into. The rate of the reaction doubles when the concentration of tertiary butyl bromide is doubled. Yes, this is also right. The rate of the reaction doubled when concentration of alkali is doubled. Alkali, here rate of the reaction is for SN1 mechanism is only proportional to haloalkane, concentration of haloalkane, and not the nucleophile. So this is the one which is wrong. It is option C, which is the wrong statement but the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Following the substitution reaction with Cn replaces Cl to obtain propane nitrile, R and Cl should be chloroethane, 1-chloropropane, chloromethane or 2-chloropropane. So what should be RCl is the question. Okay. So with alcoholic KCN you will get Cn. So what should be the R group? R group, you need a propane nitrile. So it should be chloroethane. Correct? No, it is CH3 CH2 Cl with KCN. It will give CH3 CH2 Cn. 1, 2, 3. So it is propane nitrile. So it is chloroethane is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The conversion of metanitrophenol to resorcinol involves respectively hydrolysis, diazotization, reduction, diazotization, reduction, hydrolysis, hydrolysis, reduction, diazotization, reduction, diazotization and hydrolysis. So we need to know the order of the reaction. Okay. So what do we have? Metanitrophenol. This is phenol with meta group. I need resorcinol. That means NO2 group should be substituted with OH group. Okay. So first what we do? First we do reduction to remove oxygen. Okay. So reduction reaction will give NH2. Okay. This is reduction. This further diazotization. So what will I get? I'll get benzene ring with OH group and I'll get double bond N Cl minus plus. This one further hydrolysis. Under hydrolysis, nitrogen will be removed, HCl will be formed, and what will happen? I will get OH and OH. This is nothing but resorcinol. So we did reduction, diazotization and hydrolysis. So reduction, it has to start with reduction. So option D, reduction, diazotization and hydrolysis will convert metanitrophenol to resorcinol. Okay. Next question. Formic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid. This can be explained using plus M effect, minus I effect, plus I effect and minus M effect. So which are the two acids we have? Formic acid, H, C double bond O, OH, and acetic acid, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Now COH group is same. Here I have CH3 group which pushes the electron towards the carboxylic acid group, whereas hydrogen does not have that property. So formic acid is stronger acid than acetic acid. Now this pushing of the electrons away, which effect it is called as? It is plus I effect. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The reagent with which both acetaldehyde and acetone react is Fehling solution, iodine with NaOH, Tollens reagent, carbonic acid. The reagent with which both will react, an aldehyde as well as ketone, both doesn't react with Fehling solution nor Tollens reagent nor carbonic acid. It should be iodine with NaOH. I'll tell you the reason. See, acetaldehyde is CH3 CHO, or I can write it as CH3 C double bond OH, okay, and ketone is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Both of them have this group which is required for iodoform reactions, and this is nothing but iodoform reaction, isn't it? Thus both will answer iodine with NaOH test. Okay. 56th question. Which of the following gives an aldehyde on dry distillation? Calcium formate plus calcium acetate plus calcium benzoate, calcium acetate, calcium benzoate. We know that to get an aldehyde we need to use formate, correct? So option A should be the right answer, but we will write the reaction and see. HCOOCA HCOO plus CaCOOCH3 and COOCH3. So what you will get is CH3, CHO. So you'll get an acetaldehyde, isn't it? So option A is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Alpha maltose consists of 1 alpha D-glucopyranose unit and 1 beta D-glucopyranose unit with 1 to 2 glycosidic linkage. That's wrong, because in maltose we have both alpha D plus glucose, isn't it? 2 alpha D glucopyranose unit with 1 to 2 glycosidic linkage. 1 to 2 illa, we have 1 to 4, so it is wrong. 2 beta glucopyranose, it is completely wrong. Option D, 2 alpha D glucopyranose unit with 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. Option D is absolutely right. Correct? Next question. Which one of the following does not correctly match with each other? Silk and polyamide, they match with each other. Lipase and enzyme. Lipase is an enzyme, so it is correct. Butter is a fat, absolutely right. So it should be option D. Oxytocin is an enzyme. It is wrong. Oxytocin is an hormone. Okay. So this is wrongly matched. Next question. In an alkaline medium, glycine predominantly exists as in a or an cation, anion, Zwitter ion, covalent form. Alkaline medium, pH is high, so it should be in the form of anion. Okay. The last question for the day. The IUPAC name of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 carbon atom compound. Third carbon atom has got the double bond. So it is but 3-ene 1-oic acid, or it should be but 3-ene oic acid. So option A is absolutely right compared to the other options in which the numbering only is wrong. But 1-enoic acid is wrong. Pent is not there. Prop also, we don't have 3 or 5 carbon atoms. We have only 4 carbon atoms, isn't it? Thus, option 1 is perfectly right. Thank you, my dear children. See you next class with the next question paper. Stay tuned, stay focused.